Hi, this is Jaakko Sormunen at SSH.com, and today I'll talk about secure access management for operational technology and critical infrastructure. The question I will address is, why does OT and IIoT need to transcend VPNs and adopt just-in-time zero trust PAM? SSH.com is a cybersecurity pioneer since 1995. We've developed the SSH protocol over 25 years ago, and still today, it remains one of the fundamentals of internet security for interactive access, machine-to-machine access, and file transfers. Today, we offer zero trust solutions for safe electronic communications and secure access to hosts and between hosts. We have more than 100 patents and more than 5,000 customers globally. Let's first discuss why OT needs to adopt zero trust and just-in-time. As we have recently seen, security risks and industrial cyber attacks are on the rise, affecting operators of manufacturing sites and critical infrastructure. In the meantime, the regulatory environment is shifting as regulators are reacting to these new threats and demands. As a result, OT operators need to take into account, for example, NIST, the European NIS, ISA, and IEC 62443. Moreover, the US has recently issued an executive order on cybersecurity, underlining the importance of zero trust and access management. Due to all of these factors, managing OT targets, accounts, credentials, and users is becoming more of a burden. This is especially the case as the number of connected sites, assets, and targets is increasing year on year. What is more, providing quick and secure access to third parties, such as maintenance engineers, is challenging. Without a doubt, uncontrolled, undetected, and unsanctioned access is a liability. Therefore, there is a need to manage access to all OT targets within one pane of glass, regardless of the number of location of users, hosts, and physical sites. Protecting IPR is also a critical consideration, even in manufacturing environments designed according to the Purdue layer model and DMZs. Let's explore the European regulation a bit more. The NIS, or the Network and Information Security Directive, is intended to boost the overall level of cybersecurity in the EU. Now, the EU is planning a significant expansion of the sectors covered, based on their criticality to the economy and society. New sectors that will be impacted include critical manufacturing, such as pharmaceuticals, medical devices, and chemicals, as well as foods and communication networks. It is estimated that as a result, the IT security expenses of European businesses will increase by an average of 22%.